Question 2. An education NGO wanted to distribute 400 books and notebooks to the needy students. On the first day, they could distribute 4 out of 5 of the total books and half of the total notebooks, and there were 140 books and notebooks still left. So, how many books were distributed on the first day? So, we realize from our first two sentences, we can form two statements. So, the first statement would be that we know that the total number of books and notebooks is equals to 400. So, we can write B plus N equals to 400. And this is our first equation. And for our second sentence, we know that 4 out of 5 of the books and half of the notebooks were distributed and 140 were left. So for the right-hand side of our equation, let's write 140. And we know this is equals to the books not distributed, which is 1 out of 5 B, plus half N. And whenever we are dealing with fractions inside an equation, we want to multiply the equation by the denominator of the smaller fraction, which in this case is 5. So we multiply the equation by 5 on both sides, and we will end up with a whole number, B, plus 5 out of 2N, which is equals to 700. So this is our second equation. So we always multiply it by the denominator of the smaller fraction, so we can end up with one whole number. And we realize that there is a B on equation 1 and a B in equation 2. So we can actually eliminate B and find the value of N. So we take equation 2 minus equation 1, and we will get B minus B, which is 0, and 5 out of 2N minus N equals to 700 minus 400. And this gives us 3 out of 2N equals to 300. So now we can find the value of half N, which is 300 divided by 3, and this gives us 100. So we want to find how many books were distributed on the first day. So based on our second statement over here, 1 out of 5B plus half N equals to 140, we can find the value of 1 out of 5B. So 1 out of 5B would be 140 minus 100, and this gives us 40. So now we can find number of books distributed on first day, and this would be 4 out of 5B, which is equals to 40 times 4, which gives us 160. So this is your final answer for question 2.